Hello everyone, so my name is Angel Bantilan. So today we will be discussing a problem. So let's go. The code uses a while loop to iterate from 1 to 5. I equal 1 initializes a variable I to 1, while I equal 5 specifies the condition for the loop to continue as long as I is less than or equal to 5. The loop will execute. Print I prints the current value of I plus equal I1 increments by I1 after each iterations. In case the loops iterates from 1 to 5, printing each number.